How can Slovene chief marketing officers benefit from using customer analytics more intensively?
I think the biggest thing is to take advantage of the customer analytics systems that are out there, to listen to your customers more maybe than you have been. I think the biggest thing on the listening side is really the social media that's out there, the amount of data that is out there. People are talking about your customers. Make sure that you're listening about your company in general, and ideally even by narrowing it down to understand where your customers are talking about you. Because if you know what your customers are saying, you can react. If you know what the market is saying, you can react. If you don't, then you're in a position where you may not have the trust of customers in the long run, because customers have such a propensity to use peer information and to prioritize peer information as more valuable than anything that a company like my company would send out. Case studies are great, but if somebody who's a friend of yours tells you something, you are very likely to listen to them. So we need, as an organization, to understand what people are saying to each other and possibly get involved in the conversation if you need to get involved.